Now, to do this thing, first of all, we have to say, we can write root of x. So we can write root of x as x raised to power half. So this becomes x raised to power half to be equal to x raised to power 3 over 2. Alright? Now moving on from here, let's raise both sides to the power of 2. So we have x raised to power half raised to the power of 2 is equal to x raised to power 3 over 2 raised to the power of 2. Now, when you have a number a raised to power m raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by n from the laws of indices. So doing the same thing here, we're going to have x raised to power half multiplied by 2 is 1. Okay, so we're equal to x raised to power 3 over 2 multiplied by 2 is 3. Sweet deal. Now, moving on from here, we can now say that this is x cubed minus, okay, x raised to power 1 is x to be equal to 0. Let's factor out. So we factor out x into x squared minus 1 to be equal to 0. Okay? Moving on from here, we can say that this is x squared minus 1. Alright? Then we have x into x squared. 1 is something as 1 squared. Okay? So we can express that x squared minus 1 squared, and this is equal to 0. Alright? Moving on from here, we can say that this is the difference of 2 squares. So you have x squared minus 1 squared. When you have the difference of 2 squares, a law that states that a raised to power 2 minus b raised to power 2 is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Doing the same thing here, we're going to have x into x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay? So again, we ask ourselves, when product of two things is equal to 0, so either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either that x into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Again, the product of two things is equal to 0, so it's either that x is equal to 0 or x is equal to negative 1. Okay, because x plus 1 is equal to 0, meaning that x is equal to negative 1. Or we have that x minus 1 is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to plus 1. Alright? So our values for x is that x is equal to 0 or 1 or minus 1. And this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.